Gordon Stobbe. Gordon Stobbe, born 1945, 6 cm, is a Canadian fiddler, multi-instrumentalist, and composer based in Seaforth, Nova Scotia. He has traveled extensively across Canada teaching at fiddle workshops, music camps, and performing with various musical groups. He has judged or been master of ceremonies at many fiddle contests across Canada. In the 1980s, he hosted a popular Canadian variety television show, Up Home Tonight, that featured local talent and helped launch the careers of many successful artists. He has also worked extensively in radio, theater, and in other performing arts, often commissioned to compose music for CBC Radio and other radio and film projects. He has released several solo fiddle albums of his own compositions, including New Traditions, Small World, Almost Home, and Borderline. More recently, he often goes on tour as half of Twin Fiddles, a duo with fiddler J.J. Guy. They work together throughout the Canadian West and North teaching workshops, mentoring youth, performing and composing. They have also released several albums. In 2017, he was awarded the Order of Canada by Governor-General Julie Payette for his commitment to the preservation of fiddle music as a performer, composer, and teacher. References